Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Hi Jam, happy birthday, happy 13th birthday. I love you Jam, and I hope na ma-appreciate mo yung mga ganito, and sana matupad din yung mga pangarap mo and hopes mo in the future. And sana palagi mo ding iisipin na palagi ako nandito for you as your best friend and as someone that appreciates you. Thank you Jam for being with me for the last 10 years of our lives. Magkasama na tayo, and I'm so proud to say na that I've been best friends for you for the last 10 years of my life. And I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung araw na to since it's a very special day for you. And sana magpasalamat ka din kay nila tita na ginagawa nila to para sa'yo, since surprises, and I feel very appreciated, lalo na since I get to do this for you and I get to do these little advices and messages for you for your very special birthday. Advice ko is sana you keep your head high even in the hardest times of your life, kasi syempre we still have to get up kahit may mga problema tayo, and kahit na mahulog tayo, kahit ma-doubt natin yung sarili natin, just always think na kaya mo yon, and palagi mong i-appreciate yung sarili mo, and sana maniwala ka din sa sarili mo, lalo sa mga bagay, since nagjujudo ka na, tapos academic achiever ka pa, and I'm so proud na ginagawa mo talaga yon, and I feel very inspired, lalo na sa mga sports mo. Nakikita ko yung mga post ni tita na meron ka mga medals galing sa mga competitions, and I'm so proud to see that. And I feel so happy for you. And don't forget na palagi din ako nandito if you need help or need advices in your life, kasi syempre we're best friends naman eh, and you can always go to me kapag may kailangan ka. I appreciate na palagi kang nagchat-chat kung gusto ba namin ni Ez na mag-badminton, kasi magkaiba na tayo ng school and we don't get a lot of time para mag-bonding sa isa't isa, kasi nga 'di ba iba ka na ng school. Pero I appreciate na you always reach out to us, kasi it feels na hindi mo kami nakakalimutan kahit magkaiba ka ng school and may bago ka ng mga kaibigan. So, di ko na to papahabain. Jamila, happy 13th birthday. I love you, and I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung buong araw na to, and sana palagi mo kaming iisipin na nandito kami palagi, lalo na ako, kasi 10 years of our friendship, and lalo na sila tita and yung pamilya mo, kasi pamilya mo pa rin sila, and I know that they love you very much and that they appreciate you kasi ginagawan ka nila ng mga ganito. Hey Jam, happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I love you! Bye-bye! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Jam! Alam mo na yung wish ko para sa iyo. Tignan mo na lang sa messenger. God bless! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Jamila! Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you so much, and I hope you have a very, very great day. Love you!
Happy birthday, Jam!
Hi Jam, happy birthday. Magpakabait ka na. And more away to come. Joke lang. God bless you.